What's up, guys? This is our 2012 Ram 1500 with a 4.7 liter V8. Very good, dependable overall truck. Never gives us any trouble. It has about 130,000 miles on it, and it was starting to develop a little bit of a tick. A little bit louder than the tick you hear when your oil needs to be changed. If you've had one of these Hemi engines, you know what I'm talking about. It starts to just get a little noisy on the ticking. Well, this wasn't that, because even when a fresh oil change, it still had a slight tick to it, especially as it got warmer, if you drove it more. Well, how did I get rid of it? I've been through probably 5 or 6 tanks of fuel. I used a little bit of Marvel Mystery Oil and valve clean in the fuel. I also put a little bit of mystery oil in the engine oil itself. I'm sure all of you heard about this. Some of you don't believe it. Some of you think it's a bunch of smoke, snake oil or whatever. I actually use these two on just about every car I own, especially older ones. And, I don't keep cars all that long, but any car I have that's over 100,000 miles, I'm using these two products on, and it got rid of the ticking. This engine is running right now. Engine is running. You hear a very, very, very light valve train noise that's normal. But yeah, it is silent as anything. I actually think it feels a little bit peppier on performance because we use these for towing golf carts. And yeah. Say what you will, but you can get this on, from most auto parts stores. Both of these you can get at auto parts stores, but I'll put links where you can get them on Amazon. Marvel Mystery Oil is no joke. You can use it in the engine oil as well as the fuel, and there's instructions on the back on how to do it. The valve clean, you put it in your fuel, and it cleans intake valves, as you see. Yeah, I've been using valve clean for several years, and it works. It's simple as that. Check out our other videos. We got all kinds of stuff relating to working on cars, dirt bikes, ATVs, golf carts, scooters, Harleys, motocross bikes, classic cars, working around the house. If our video saved your life or gave you a great idea or helped you solve a problem, make sure you click the thanks button you'll see underneath the video screen. We really appreciate it. And we are Golf Cars of Woodstock in Woodstock, Georgia. Club Car, Star, and Denago authorized dealer. So check us out. You'll see the links in the description. Y'all have a great day. We'll see y'all later.